When we begin optimizing our website and taking our keywords to implement on the site, the first place I tell people to look is the page title. The page title is one of the more obvious elements on the page, however, sometimes it's overlooked. The easiest place to find the page title is at the top of the browser bar or the tab, depending upon the browser that you're using. That page title is completely under your control. You can fill in the words based on what type of programming you might be using to manage your website. Sometimes it's very easy, other times it might be a little difficult. Again, it depends upon the type of programming that is managing your website. The place to look in your code that determines what will show on the page title is in the heading of your code. That's usually at the top of the page, and you can find your page title in the title container. The / title at the end closes that container, and anything in between the two titles will show as the page title in your browser. This is how you can manage your keywords by going in and adding them to the page titles so that it properly describes the content that is on every page. Now, I can't stress enough the importance of the page title. It's the #1 search engine optimization element on the page that is directly under your control. Because of that, every page on your website should have a unique page title. That means that your content on every page needs to be summarized in that page title that communicates and is descriptive and concise of the content that's on that page. I can't stress this enough. You can start by going to your website and looking at a few pages and comparing the page title to the content that is on the page. Is it unique? Is it concise? And does it use the primary keywords that describe the content so that you can compete for those rankings with your website?